Welcome to our sizzling guide on beating the heat at the construction site. When the sun's blazing down and temperatures are soaring, staying safe isn't just important. It's a matter of survival. Let's dive into the essential tips and tricks to keep cool and carry on. In the heart of construction, the heat is more than just a nuisance. It's a formidable foe. From dehydration to heat exhaustion, the dangers are real and lurking around every corner. But before the heat takes its toll, it's crucial to know the signs of heat stress. From excessive sweating and dizziness to nausea and confusion, our bodies are sending out distress signals we can't afford to ignore. But fear not, because armed with knowledge and preparation, we can beat the heat at its own game. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water and replenish those electrolytes. Seek shade whenever possible and take frequent breaks in the cool zones, and don't forget your armor in the battle against the heat. Lightweight, breathable clothing and wide-brimmed hats can shield you from the sun's relentless rays, and don't skimp on sunscreen. It's your first line of defense against sunburn and heat-related illnesses. Even with all the precautions in place, emergencies can still happen. That's why it's crucial to know how to respond to heat-related illnesses, from recognizing symptoms to administering first aid and seeking medical help when needed. Ultimately, staying safe in the heat is a team effort. Look out for your fellow workers and don't hesitate to speak up if you notice signs of heat stress. By working together and staying vigilant, we can ensure that everyone goes home safe and sound. So let's keep our cool, even when the heat is on.